I'm on top of Pilot Knob Mesa in Imperial County, California. That is Interstate 8 over there. Runs from San Diego in the west to Interstate 10 in the east, kind of halfway between Phoenix and Tucson. Let's see if I can show you that over there. I don't know if you can see it. That's the little patch of water there. It's the Colorado River, which separates California and Arizona. And to my south here, that's the town of Los Algodones in Baja California, Mexico. So I don't know if you can really make it out, but that is the wall. It's kind of hard to tell up here, but you can see kind of that black shape snaking along. That's the border wall. And I don't know if you can make it out, but those patches of green over there in Arizona, the border wall kind of snakes along those. The green you see there are lettuce fields. And the lettuce fields here just stretch for miles on end. And let's see, if we go over to the west here, those are the Glamis Dunes, or Imperial Sand Dunes. Very popular for off-roaders. This where I'm standing, you can't really tell here, but the side that faces the interstate here is an open pit mine. This is the site of an old gold mine. You can't really tell from up here, but as you're let's see, like way down there where my Jeep is, little Jeep right there, you can see all the old mining operations where they took place.